In this video, I will show you exactly how to apply required validation enforcement rules on your inputs within Typeform to ensure you collect all the necessary data from your users. This is a crucial step if you want to make sure that people do not skip over important questions in your surveys or forms. To get started, you will need to open up your specific form within the Typeform workspace. Once your form is open and ready for editing, go ahead and look at the left-hand panel where all of your different form elements are listed. From this list, go ahead and click on the specific question block where you want to enforce these special validation rules. Selecting the block will highlight it and make it active for editing. Now that you have the correct question selected, shift your focus over to the other side of the workspace. Take a look at the question settings panel, which is conveniently located on the right side of your screen. This side panel contains various options to customize how your specific question behaves. Within this panel, you need to locate the required toggle switch. This is the setting that controls whether or not a user can submit the form without answering that specific question. Once you have found the switch, simply click the toggle to move it to the on position. You will notice that as soon as you do this, an asterisk symbol will appear next to the question title in the preview window. This visual indicator lets your respondents know that the field is mandatory. By following these simple steps, you have successfully enabled validation enforcement. This ensures that the field cannot be left blank, helping you maintain high data quality and completeness for every submission you receive. It is a very simple process that makes your forms much more effective and professional for any use case you might have. Thank you for following along with this quick tutorial.